All right, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. It's the 18th of April 2026. So I want to give you a price action of last month. Now let's see what we could have gotten if I would have gotten into a trade in Euro USD for the last month. Um, so this is a strategy. How would I put it? Presentation. Okay. Now let me cut all of these. Okay. Right, that has been cut. Right, good. That has been cut. So this should be a price action. Excuse me. Trauma. Okay. This should be a price action here, here. Right? Like this. All right, this is much better. Doesn't I don't really know what okay. Right now, it's a little of this. Now, deleted 2 months price action. Now, immediately, let's go to the delete time frame. You know, it did not clean. I'm going to spread action has been cleaning daily time frame. Let's see. Why? Okay, let's do something. It's because it's a free version. That's why it's just messing with us. The duration is just too long. All right, let's say from here. Say from here, right? To here. So this will be much better, I think. All right, now let's go down to the daily time frame. Now let us just start. Right, all the way from this point in price. This point in price, let's see how well would have worked with Euro USD if we were trading it up. Let's just take right around here. Okay, good. All right, now let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Come on, man. Why are you like this? Ugh. All right. 1 hour time frame, let's see um number of trades we would have been able to take if we were part of this price action at the moment. Now, on the 1 hour, we saw price break here, break this here. Then price broke here, right? Very good. Now I want to get into a trade, but we need to look for this before we can get into a trade. Let's say price was previously bullish, then bearish, takes out the buy side to sell that liquidity, then we can get in here for the continuation of what? The sales. All right. Now what I can see here, nothing is happening at all. Except from this, the buy side or sell side liquidity has taken. So we need to take a buy scenario from what here, right? See, this is where you placed your order at the moment. Okay. Now, not that that's bad, it's very good, but it should have been a stop loss if you are taking this directly from here rather than looking at the price action. Okay, let's say this is a what? A stop loss for us, but this one is way too big, unrealistic. All right, let's see. This is stop loss for us. We are gonna take this here and this what there, right? Now, immediately we got the stop loss. We could see that, uh, right, right. Immediately we got the stop loss. We could see that price came and swept this high right here. They immediately broke structure what right what here, right? Now I want to take a sell since that has met our criteria. A sell from this green candle here, and our stops will be below this low, right? Below our stops. All right. This. All right. All right. Let's see how well it will progress. So price started moving. That's when they were still holding that position. Price started going. No entry yet. Okay. Still waiting for price to continue the sell. Okay. Okay. No move yet. No move yet. No move yet. We're still watching price. Let's see USD. We're still watching price. All right. Price is doing its thing. Doing its thing. Unless we see that particular entry will happen or not, so let it go. All right. We take it out. Good. Now, immediately, sorry. Now, immediately this happened. This is no longer part of my way again. I'm instantly focusing on this. Now, as you can see, price swept this here, then came and broke structure what they were upside, right? Now, for me, I'm willing to take a buy directly from here. Yeah, this will be my buy entry directly from here. My entry criteria will be here to target these highs here, not for long term, but just for the current what market momentum. Now let's see how it goes. Okay, we still keep on breaking structure to the upside. Right, keep on breaking structure to the upside. No reaction yet. Nothing, nothing. All right, immediately we got this. My order here has been deleted. Then I'm only to take a sell from this particular candlestick here. Because this is the candlestick that's very clear. Then target either these stops here, or you can come and target what this lows. But for the intraday, just don't be greedy. You can target here for the overall. Then we know what will happen. Know what we'll do next if price presents itself. Okay, now maybe if you held this, it are giving you a break even, but all the same, we didn't see how market will react or if it will get triggered. All right, we got triggered here. What's triggered here is to be our TP here. Majority of the trade entries will be taken out, then we'll wait for if we'll get a runner toward the downside. Now let's see. Got triggered. Are we moving? Yes, we hit TP. We did. We did hit TP right around here for a 1 to 2. That would be a total of 170 pips drop. We're willing to hold the trade here. Close the majority of the trades. Just let a runner run. That would have been a good idea, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right, price still going down. Then price started shifting down directly to the upside. Break even what? Hits. Then your break even has been what? Hit. Then let's see. It would have been if you are closed here, that have been a nice trade for you. That will be a loss and what a win or break even for you. That's good. All right, now let's see what else happened. Then, if we look at this properly, you see that price actually broke this, took this as a buy to sell liquidity here. Now let's see. Right, then immediately took out what this previously strong high we had marked out when we took our first what trade. Right now, I've seen that time for a long position from here. I know a lot of persons will take this long position from here. Then my stops, at least this point price, then my TP at least above this price here. Okay, now let's see how well this will go. The price keep on buying, 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 buying. So my next target will be here since price has made this high to be my target. So let's see how price reacts off this. The price is coming gradually, gradually. That's not giving us a strong supply zone to sell off from. But since our buy zone is still there, we have to wait to see how price reacts off it. Right? New week. Still waiting, we're still waiting. And I think it's coming in right now. And will we get triggered? No, we don't. We do not get triggered. Price actually missed us by a few pips right here. So that's a win, one miss, and a loss, right? Now let's go. Let's see how well we'll do in I think this is March 23rd. So let's see how well we'll do upcoming what? Price action. Now let's be the fact that I just trading Euro USD, okay? Now let's see, I increase this. Okay. Okay, hold. Okay. Now I get okay, better. Second paper. Price is giving us price action, price action. Let's see if we can get in a sell from here. Now, the price should break this point of price here. I'm going to take a sell. Okay, price did. Very good, very good, very good. Now, price took out this high. Immediately, then came, took out this low. as the buy to sell side liquidity has been taken, then a sell move has been given from here. So my stops will be above here, my TP will be somewhere around here. Enough to cover for all of this. So you might say, okay, I want to come here, but no, this where my TP will be for a quick intraday setup. Yeah. Now let's see how well we'll do in this trade. Let's see how well they go do in this trade. Let's see. No entry yet. Price is just going in this direction. Okay, we're moving forward downwards. Okay, so target here, since price are giving us a load to work with, we're going to target there. So wait for price to trigger us. Except price gives us a buy to sell liquidity, then we enter. I think it's gonna do very good. Price has given us that. Price took out this low, then took out this high here. Price broke, so I'm no longer interested here. Only interested in what's this particular low here. Now my targets will be here. It's going to be here. So sorry. So let's see how well they get triggered. Do we? Let's wait and see. Close, triggered, then ATP. Yes, I think ATP. Yes, we got ATP hit. Nice TP hit right here. A very nice TP hit right here. So if you are trading Euro USD, maybe you targeted these lows, that would have been a win for you, or maybe a break even. I don't know. But we targeted here, that would have been a nice trade. Now we've gotten from the whole of March 11th Wednesday to March 27th Friday. Sorry, I mean, 7 Friday. We've gotten one loss, one win, one missed, and another win. That's good, I think. A very good, a very good way to end the month. Now let's see if we can hop in another scenario. The price will just drop in. So if you had held, take out for this low, you would have been profits of a 1 to 148 weeks to reward. So that's what happened. Let's see if price will give us another opportunity. So let's see. So I think there were no opportunities ready. Okay, price is giving us a buy, aggressive buy to the upside, aggressive. So let's see if there's a way for us to get into these buys to the upside. Nothing really, price is just buying. Just buying. So reacting, I think it's reacting on something here for the sell. Our previous sell bias from here, price has triggered, giving a sell push to the downside aggressively. So let's see if we can get a sell momentum, or if price gives us a buy momentum, we're hopping. Now let's see. Nothing. There's nothing here. Nothing particularly here. So this that being around the morning time, it's 3 a.m. Nigerian time. I would have been in bed. So I get to the market by 9 a.m. in the morning, probably 8 a.m. in the morning. So did we take that low out? Yes, we did. Now the reason why I'm not going to take anything here is because even if I want to take a risk here, It's not going to be my full margin because this point of interest here is like acting like a liquidity zone. Let's say you skip Monday, for example, you would have, okay, let's skip Monday. Since I don't trade Mondays, this will be Friday price action. Then on Monday, let's just skip Monday. But I don't want to take this trade. I decided not to take this trade at the moment. So we decided to skip Monday. Let's see what's going to happen on Tuesday, right? Now on Tuesday, price immediately broke. Now, if you look closely, you'll see this is a low, this is a high, this is a low. Price are taking out the sell side to buy side liquidity. Let me show you. Taking out the sell side. Now, we need to take out what the buy side. This is what happened here. The price broke structure immediately to the opposite what direction here. Took opposite what direction was here. Now, I wanted to enter this trade. I'm going to be taking the single candle I can see, which is this one. Let's say take it from here. Then my stops here. Then my targets. The price should give me a high to work with. I'll work with what? That high. Okay. Now let's see if price should give me a high to work with. So when triggered, let's see if we get triggered. Let's see. Okay, price giving me a high to work with. Let's see if we'll get triggered. I don't really think so. We don't get triggered at the moment. We don't get triggered right here. So we don't get triggered. A few pips away from getting triggered. And that's okay. Since price has given us a high to work with, just wait for price. So since price didn't give us entry, we just let that be and delete our order. So we work with the current price action. Price are taking out the high and the low of this price action. So the same thing applies. We are going to get in from here. Then our stops will be here. Our high, let's target this high here for take profit. So let's see if we get triggered. Did we? Do we? I don't think so. Don't think we get triggered at all. Probably, maybe not. I don't know. Not really. Pause. So this, our entry is right here, right? Okay, our entry is right here. Yes, we missed it. Two missed trades is not the end of the world. So we got a loss, TP missed, TP missed, and missed. All right, so let's see what happened then again. Let's see if we can get in. All right, so let's make this faster. Right. So team criteria, let's see. All right, we're taking out the buy side to sell side liquidity. The buy side liquidity. So let's take out the sell side liquidity before we hop into this particular trade. So something is happening here. Let's see. Good. And price are taking out the sell side and the buy side liquidity. Now this is a long position that we need to take from here. What's to the upside? Right here. Now let's see how it goes. Price is just doing its thing. So price has given us a high to work with. So we're working with what? This high, I go a little bit further. So we got triggered here. Got triggered, let's see. We hit TP, do we? Wow, we hit TP. So this will be total trade of how far, stop loss, a TP, missed, TP, that's two wins, one missed, two wins, three missed, one lost, then three wins, two missed, three win. I think that's one, two, three. Three wins. How many losses? One. How many missed? One, two, three. So okay. That's a very good performance from Euro USD to the starting of March 11th, Wednesday. So let's see if we can work with this. So price just kept on buying. Price kept on buying. Let's see if we can get into the current price action. Okay. The current price action is not giving me a nice entry. Nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, still buying, still very much buying of clear TP. The buying, okay. Taking out the sell side. Now let's go for the buy side. So taking out the buy side, let's go for the sell side liquidity now, everyone. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. All right, are we going for it? I think so. Yes, we took it out. Very, very good. Very, very, very good. Now entry should be where? Here, right? Now entry, the stop loss will be a little bit here, then TP working with here, right? Now let's see if we got triggered. Now this is what happened. This is a trade I took. So let's see. I ended the losses, but let's see how well the strategy works. So did we get triggered? We did. Then immediately we hit stop loss. So immediately we stop loss. It is now. What do we do now? The buy side has been taken, sell side has been taken. Then we enter for the sell to the downside. Now let me show you on this particular what I did, what I took. Yeah, this is what happened. Okay, it needs to load. Where's where are my drawings? My drawings are supposed to be shown here. Come on. Drawings are supposed to be shown. I didn't clear anything really. Excuse me, let me refresh this page. My drawings are there. I don't really know why it's doing this improper price action. It could be network. I think so. It could be network. The network. The connection is very poor. Sorry for keeping you waiting, guys. Let's just see what's going on. Okay, connected. Let's refresh, refresh, refresh. All right, guys. So what I showed you here, what you're seeing here is what's happened was here today. So this was the only trade I took this week. I didn't really take this particular Monday trade as shown what here. No, this would have been a nice win for me, but currently was on the market and I really didn't want to trade on Monday. So I left price action to do what it wants to do. Then I left the chart. Now, yesterday when I entered, I was really hoping for the buy to what upside, at least to take out some little bit of liquidity because I was actually expecting what the sales. Okay. Now the sell didn't really present itself, but the buys did. But as I can see, price was taking me out, no problem. Now I'm going to delete this. The stop loss was that. Now I'm going to look for what's the sales because the sell side to buy side liquidity has been taken. So I'm taking nothing from this particular candle here. Stop loss above this candle. Now, if price should give me a low to work with, I'll be willing to work with that low to target. But now I'm going to be targeting here for a 1 to 3.2, 3.72 reach to reward 81 pip stop. Now, this will be a nice trade for the sales. And mind you, if you check a little bit more to the left, you see we are in a daily range, swing high. Sorry, daily swing high to what the daily was swing low. So initially, this would be my target for almost 150 pips towards the downside. Probably, let's see how well price what behaves for us. So that's all, guys. I really wish you all the best. That's all. But for now, I think I'm going to be working with more of GU, not Euro, because Euro USD sometimes misses entries while GU doesn't. GU gives you what you want. So I'm going to be sticking with GU for now. And yeah, I think that's all.